When you made your first million or 5 million, how we deal with that? When you made your first million or 5 million, or
the way it is that when you first start business, your target is to make your first million. Okay, fine, I did that. But after a year or so, I realized that look, I have much more than 12, 13 billion, and I said, okay, fine, all these numbers are just written numbers.
Yeah.
And one day I went to a bank.
Yeah.
At that time there were no restrictions of this, and I wrote a check and cash $10 million, and I took it home.
For yourself?
For myself, yes.
You cashed $10 million from the bank?
Yes.
Yes, and took it?
I put it in the boot of my vehicle, and I went home, and I opened it, and I look at 10 million. I said, okay, fine, now I believe I have money.